A scribe is a guy who thinks he's fly, and he's also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants, and just sits on his work as son. Non, mais il veut pas un zéro, non. Mais il donnera pas